Welcome to this guide on Authorize.net events, a crucial aspect of managing and optimizing your online payment processing system. Understanding and utilizing these events can help you streamline your workflow, improve customer experience, and reduce errors. First, let's define what Authorize.net events are. These are notifications sent by Authorize.net to your server in response to various actions, such as successful transactions, declined payments, or subscription changes. These events are essential for keeping your records up to date and ensuring that your system remains in sync with the payment gateway. To start receiving events, you need to configure the silent post URL in your Authorize.net account settings. This URL is where Authorize.net will send the event notifications. Ensure that the URL is correctly formatted and points to a server that can handle these notifications securely. Once you have set up the silent post URL, you can start receiving events. There are several types of events, including payment capture, payment failure, and subscription status changes. Each event contains valuable information about the transaction or action, such as the transaction ID, customer ID, and event type. To handle these events effectively, you should have a robust system in place to receive, process, and store the event data. This could involve writing server-side code to parse the event notifications and update your database accordingly. It is crucial to validate the authenticity of the events to prevent unauthorized access and ensure the security of your system. Best practices for handling Authorize.net events include implementing a retry mechanism for failed event deliveries, logging event notifications for auditing and debugging purposes, and ensuring that your system can handle a high volume of events without performance degradation. By leveraging Authorize.net events, you can automate tasks, reduce manual errors, and enhance the overall payment experience for your customers. For example, you can use the events to trigger automated email notifications, update customer records, or initiate follow-up actions. In conclusion, Authorize.net events are a powerful tool for managing and optimizing your online payment processing system. By understanding the different types of events, configuring the silent post URL, and implementing a robust system to handle these events, you can streamline your workflow, improve customer experience, and reduce errors. Remember to follow best practices for handling events, such as validating event authenticity and logging event notifications, to ensure the security and reliability of your system.